Look before you leap. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. Look before you leap. In today's fast-paced world, it has become increasingly important to pause and carefully analyze before diving headfirst into any situation. This proverb serves as a timely reminder for us to assess the potential risks and consequences before making any decision. But how exactly can we implement this wisdom into our lives? The key lies in cultivating the habit of thoughtful contemplation. Before embarking on a new venture, take a moment to conduct thorough research. Gather relevant information and weigh the pros and cons. This preliminary investigation will provide valuable insights, enabling you to make more informed choices. Moreover, it is crucial to consider the long-term implications of our decisions. Reflect on how your actions today may impact your future. By carefully evaluating the potential outcomes, you can make decisions that align with your goals and ensure a more favorable outcome in the long run. This approach not only increases your chances of success, but also minimizes the chances of encountering unforeseen difficulties. Looking before leaping also means being aware of our personal limitations. Recognizing our strengths and weaknesses allows us to make decisions that leverage our strengths, while taking the necessary precautions to mitigate our weaknesses. It is essential to assess whether we have the required skills, knowledge, and resources to tackle a particular endeavor. This self-awareness ensures that we are adequately prepared for the challenges that lie ahead. In summary, the ancient proverb, "Look before you leap," holds great wisdom that is applicable to our modern lives. By pausing to evaluate the potential risks, meticulously gathering information, and considering the long-term implications of our choices, we can navigate through life with more certainty and increase our chances of success. Understanding our personal limitations also allows us to make realistic decisions and adequately prepare ourselves for any challenges we may face. So the next time you find yourself on the verge of making a decision, remember to look before you leap. Take the necessary time to reflect, evaluate, and gather the information you need to make an informed choice. It may just be the key to unlocking a path filled with luck, overcoming difficulties, and ultimately achieving the success you desire. Look before you leap. The saying emphasizes the importance of careful consideration and planning before taking action. By applying this principle in our lives, we can avoid hasty decisions and potential pitfalls. Taking the time to gather information, evaluate risks, and anticipate long-term consequences will allow us to make informed choices that lead to success. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.